The highest-paid Major League Baseball player, the Mets' Max Scherzer, recently paid $15 million for a Florida home he plans to tear down, made up of 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. The waterfront property in Jupiter belonged to longtime newspaper publisher Robert Smylie, who purchased the home back in 1999 for $2.9 million, according to The Real Deal. The home first hit the market in November with Schacter of Illustrated Properties. Meyer Lucas of Compass represented the pro pitcher. Situated on Commodore Island, the property stands on over half an acre and boasts 325 feet of intracoastal views protected by a barrier island, the previous listing noted.
Scherzer, 38, and his wife, Erica, also own another waterfront property on the same street, which they acquired in 2020 for $9.8 million. Combined, Scherzer spent $24.7 million on the street and will spend millions more building a new home.
The pitcher shelled out $9.75 million in June 2020 for a 5-bedroom, 8.5-bathroom estate in Jupiter not far from where the Mets trained during the spring and long before he would ever predict it would be his new team. Spanning nearly 8,000 square feet, the mansion features 180 feet of water frontage. Features include a club room and a primary suite with dual baths, boutique-style closets and a soaking tub. According to the listing, the chef's kitchen boasts an oversized backlit center island prep station, dual-wall ovens and a Lockor new gas range, which opens out to the family room and breakfast area. The outdoors boasts a resort-style pool, a lounging area and a protected dock for a 70-foot wide boat.
Max Scherzer is hitting it out of the park with this newly purchased Long Island home. Made up of 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, Scherzer purchased the property, located in Brookville.
A Hamptons-inspired residence, it was last listed for $5.4 million. The home was shown to have gone into contract on October 24. Situated on nearly 4 acres of land, features include expansive terraces, landscaped gardens with water features, a saltwater pool with a jacuzzi, an outdoor shower and a separate pool house. The main house boasts millwork and moldings, white oak flooring, a formal living room, plus an open-concept dining and entertaining room. There's also a media room, an office, 2 primary suites, a game room, and a kitchen with wolf and gag appliances, the listing says.